Hey Harley, ring that bell, let's get it on. We got Boston versus New York. Who's gonna win? They tie up. Ooh, right off the Bronx ball. Ooh, kick to the head. Oh boy. Come on, rookie. Ball starts all the way back. Oh, right the kidney. Ball picks him up. Ooh, body slam. Boss ain't showing the rookie no love whatsoever. Oh, Boss cleans his boots off on the lips of the rookie. Referee says no. Oh, clean the other boot off. Referee said one more time. Hey, Bronx, I heard the referee say one more time. Yeah, I heard him say one more time. Oh, referee says no, no more. Referee says no more cleaning off the boots. Oh, stiff shot to the head from Bronx Thug. Bronx takes the arm from the rookie. Ryan turns it around, reverses it. Ryan takes the arm, starts beating down. Come on, folks, get behind Ryan. Ryan off the rope. Oh, leg drop on the arm. Ryan passes to the head. Pushes to the gut, kicks to the gut. Gets him in the corner. Off the ropes. Oh, stomp to the chest. Ryan brings him up. Picks him up. Oh! Jams the knee into the floor. Somebody forgot a marker in their pants. Damn rookie. Oh! Flying Ryan just got his wings clipped. Bronx said, I ain't having it. Bronx looks at a lifeless body. Takes his head to the corner. Oh! Head into the corner. Oh! Kick to the gut. Flying Ryan said, oh boy, I can taste what I ate for lunch a little bit ago. This ain't good. Oh! Tip the world slam by Bronx Thug. Y'all gonna show any love for Bronx? The women love you, Bronx. The men hate you. What the hell is the referee looking at? Bronx stretches him back over the ropes. Stretches him out. He said, you gonna learn today, boy. Referee gives him the count. Referee said break the hold. Cheap ass microphone. Oh, Bronx stretches him out. Oh, backbreaker. Oh, another backbreaker. Oh, to a neck breaker. Bronx ain't showing the rookie no respect. Bronx said, get up, boy, you from Boston, huh? He said, hold on, let me help you up real quick. Oh. Bronx puts his knee in the back and stretches him out. Bronx says, come on, big brother. Uh-oh. Flying Ryan says, I ain't having it. This is how you like it. Bronx is saying, no, he ain't gonna give up. Flying Ryan says, come on, boy, give up, old man. Oh, elbow shot to the gut. Oh, now the fireman carry into a chin. Oh, to the knee in the back. Damn, Bronx, you moving too fast. I didn't know what move to call. Slow down, old man. Bronx puts him in the corner. Puts him up. Oh, reverses to the corner. Flying right does it. Oh, Superman punch. Landed square on the jaw of Bronx Thug. Flying right goes for the cover. 1, 2. Bronx Thug kicks out. Flying Ryan a little upset with the referee. Said, come on, count faster. Oh, leg drop onto the arm. submission locked in. Is Bronx still going to give up, ladies and gentlemen? Bronx says no. Bronx trying to get out of it. Bronx trying, hold on. Bronx is getting out. Bronx says, I ain't giving up today, bro. It ain't happening. Bronx picks him up. Bronx picks him up. Oh, spine buster on the mat. Uh-oh. I don't think Bronx going to be jerking off later. By the torn his bicep a little bit. Bronx, you okay? Ooh, Bronx said, hold on, I got a surprise for you. Bronx is going to the weapons store. What can he find? What can he find? Referee checks on Ryan, make sure he's okay. Bronx found something at the toy store. Oh! Referee gets hit in the mouth, and Lone Fire Ryan get hit in the head. How the hell did that happen? Oh, stiff shot to the gut. How you doing? Oh no, I can't work under these conditions, honey. I'll be walking by. I got a job over here to do. Good Lord have mercy. Woo! I love being a midget. Because when we're toes to toes, our nose is in it. When we're nose to nose, our toes is in it. Oh, well, I had to get back to work. Sorry, I had to get back to work. My bad, man. Bronx locks in the ankle. Tries to make Ryan tap out. Is he going to tap out? Hey, Bronx, break it! Break that ankle! Snap it, come on. You guys want to see Ryan? Y'all want to see him scream? Bronx, they want to see him scream. Make him scream! Oh, boy. Puts him up in the camel clutch. Oh, stretches him out. Puts the fingers into the eyes. Oh, shot to the forehead. Referee's butt was in my way. I couldn't see much. You got a big butt, I couldn't see. Hey, whoa. I saw my life flash before my eyes. Oh, that was just referee farting. Bronx picks him up. Oh, and outside they go. And Ryan checks his tattoo to make sure it didn't get scraped up. And Bronx, I think he said you're getting a receipt for that. You stuffed up his new tattoo. Hey, hold the hell on. I ain't in this match. Get the hell away from me. Shit. Oh, that first into the ring. Bronx throws him back in. Did we had a clean up on aisle one? Bronx says he got to get the wet force on. Referee says no. Oh, kick to the ribs. Oh, wet force on to the back. Bronx says stand right there. Don't move. This is going to hurt me, more is going to hurt you. Oh. That force on to the throat. And he chokes him with it. Referee tries to get it away from him. Referee gives a count. Oh, it was broken 4.5. Referee said no, Bronx. Now I'm doing it. How many of y'all want to see Bronx win tonight? How many of y'all want to see Flying Ryan win? Bronx says it, we call it a tip. Goes up. What goes up must come back down sooner or later. Oh! Million backbreaker. Bronx goes for the pin. 1, 2, 3. Y'all give it up for Bronx.